What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best rugged laptops on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Dell Latitude 7330 Rugged Laptop. The Dell Latitude 7330 Rugged Extreme Laptop is a robust and durable option designed for challenging work environments. While it may not be suitable for everyone, it excels in scenarios where resilience is crucial. During hands-on testing, the trackpad was identified as a potential drawback, being relatively small and occasionally unresponsive. One standout feature of the Latitude 7330 is its impressive 1400 nits of brightness, surpassing many other laptops. The high brightness level ensures visibility in various lighting conditions, and the screen is designed to be touchscreen enabled even when wearing gloves. Additionally, the inclusion of a smart card reader offers both contactless and contact options for enhanced security. The laptop proves capable of handling a variety of tasks and boasts excellent battery life, contributing to its suitability for demanding work scenarios. Overall, the Dell Latitude 7330 Rugged Extreme is a compelling choice for users who require a durable and high-performance laptop in challenging environments. Number 2. Dell Latitude 5430 Rugged Laptop. The Dell Latitude 5430 is a semi-rugged laptop featuring a sleek design and the option to equip it with an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. Distinguishing itself from other rugged laptops with a simpler approach, it comes in an all-black color scheme with a carbon fiber lid. Designed for portability, the Latitude 5430 includes a rigid handle for easy carrying. It holds certifications such as Mil-Spec 810H and IP53, ensuring durability and resistance to environmental factors. While the base model is suitable for most tasks, Dell offers extensive customization options, allowing users to upgrade RAM, storage, add extra ports, and even include NVIDIA D500 discrete graphics for more demanding workloads. Privacy features include a webcam privacy shutter to prevent unauthorized access. An optional security package enhances protection with features like a fingerprint reader, a smart card reader, and a contactless smart card reader. Despite having a 53.5 Wh battery, users can further extend power with an additional battery and hot swap batteries for prolonged usage. Number 3. Dell Latitude 7230 Rugged Extreme. The Dell Latitude 7230 is among Dell's robust and highly ruggedized laptops, featuring a modern Intel platform. Designed to withstand tough conditions, it is drop-tested to 4 feet, 1.2 meters, and can handle temperatures up to 63 coulombs. With an IP65 rating, this tablet is protected against dust and water ingress. To transform it into a complete laptop, users need to add an optional keyboard and other necessary components for deployment. While the stock machine includes one battery, there's room for an additional one, and these batteries are relatively affordable. However, with a single battery, the laptop runs for a little over 5 hours, necessitating multiple batteries for a full workday. Notable features include a remarkably bright display visible in bright sunlight, a powerful 12th generation processor, LDDR5 RAM, and user-upgradable storage. On the flip side, the keyboard attachment and detachment are deemed clumsy, RAM isn't upgradable, and storage uses the 2230 M2 form factor, limiting capacity to 2 TB. The rubber plug method for protecting ports is also criticized for its potential long-term issues. While the Dell Latitude 7230 offers robustness and power, the cost of a fully specified model might deter some potential customers. Number 4. Panasonic Toughbook CF33. The Panasonic Toughbook CF33 is a standout 2-in-1 laptop that marries flexibility with rugged durability. making it an ideal choice for users who require a device capable of withstanding harsh conditions. This versatile machine seamlessly transitions between tablet and laptop modes, ensuring adaptability for different tasks. In tablet mode, the CF33 is perfect for on-the-go activities, such as taking stock and quick note jotting. Its portability is complemented by a rugged build that sets it apart from traditional 2-in-1 laptops. This device is not just a convertible, but a robust companion designed to endure challenging environments. The laptop mode provides a comfortable typing experience, making it suitable for tasks that require more extensive document creation. The Panasonic Toughbook CF33 excels where other 2-in-1 laptops might fall short, offering a level of durability that can withstand significant wear and tear. While the higher price tag may be a consideration, the investment pays off for users who prioritize a resilient 2-in-1 laptop capable of handling demanding situations. Number 5. HP ProBook X36011G1E Notebook. The HP ProBook X36011G1E stands out as a durable and versatile 2-in-1 laptop, blending everyday functionality with a rugged design that can handle more than typical laptops. At first glance, it may appear like a conventional laptop, but its robust features make it a standout choice for users seeking durability without sacrificing portability. Designed with an industrial rubberized body, spill-resistant keyboard, and a Corning Gorilla Glass 4 display, the ProBook X36011G1E offers a level of protection against knocks, drops, and liquid spills that goes beyond standard laptops. While it may not be intended for extreme environments, it excels in everyday scenarios where users may encounter occasional bumps and spills. The laptop's 2-in-1 capability, allowing the screen to be flipped, adds a layer of versatility, making it suitable for various use cases. This flexibility, combined with its rugged features, positions the ProBook X36011G1E as an excellent choice for users who value durability in their everyday computing experiences. While it might not compete with more specialized rugged laptops in extreme conditions, this HP offering strikes a balance. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.